Fujitsu is one of the best business card scanners reviewed. It is simple to install and easy to use to create digital copies of your business cards. The scanned business card images are very clear, including those printed with foil inks or on dark backgrounds. Even thick cards, such as those printed on plastic, wood or cork, are no problem for this card scanner. One of the best features of this business card reader is the wireless connection. Using your Wi-Fi, this scanner connects to your computer, laptop or mobile device without the need for cords. This makes it easy to quickly set up and start scanning business cards. This is a feature that only 2 products have on my business card review. A very short USB cord is included with the scanner if you decide you need to connect it directly to your computer. The Fujitsu ScanSnap is compatible with Windows and Mac devices and scans your business cards in full color. Once the card is scanned, the included software program will pull the information from the card and automatically fill in the contact text fields. This information can be saved in the ScanSnap program or shared with other programs, such as CRM solutions, email programs and Microsoft Office applications. This business card reading isn't capable of scanning both the front and back of the business card at the same time, but you can scan them separately and manually connect them in the program for future use. Because ScanSnap is over 10 inches long, this device is capable of scanning full-size documents, such as contracts, sales proposals, marketing materials and legal documents. These, too, can be wirelessly sent to your cell phone, tablet, laptop, or computer in full color. You can also scan more than one business card at a time, and the scanner will recognize each one individually. When I tested ScanSnap, I was able to scan an amazing 16 business cards in a minute, the fastest of all the scanners I tested. ScanSnap comes with an industry-standard 1-year warranty. Fujitsu also provides the most common support options if you need assistance setting up or using your business card scanner. These include both telephone and email support during regular business hours Monday through Friday and a few hours on Saturday. Live chat is also available on weekdays. You do have access to a good FAQ section and a digital copy of the user guide on the Fujitsu website that offers some guidance. The Fujitsu ScanSnap is one of the best business card readers, and includes wireless capabilities. It connects to your computer or laptop but can also connect to your mobile device including cell phones and tablets. While it doesn't scan both sides of your business cards at the same time, the quality and clarity of the digital images are amazing including those printed with specialty inks and finishes, such as foil or black backgrounds.